I've wanted to come to DC since I was a kid. I finally made it.
We're super excited to be here.
Standing here and seeing the White House for the first time, it felt so unreal.
It's one of those places that you've seen your whole life in movies and on TV, and suddenly it was there right in front of us. We were supposed to spend a whole week in DC, but plans changed and we only had about 8 hours.
So instead of slowing down, we just started walking, and fast. The Washington Monument is massive, especially when you're standing at the base of it.
And touching it felt like, wow, we're really here.
Next, we walked along the National Mall.
The World War II memorial was especially moving, reflective, and full of history.
Seeing the Lincoln Memorial in person was one of the highlights of our day.
And without even thinking about it, I found myself reciting the Gettysburg Address.
As we kept walking, we passed through the Korean War Veterans Memorial.
And then the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. These places really make you pause and reflect. We popped into the Smithsonian National Museum of American History and immediately ran into C-3PO.
Which felt perfect because we're huge Star Wars fans.
From there, it was like jumping through American pop culture. The Ruby Slippers, Elmo, Mr. Rogers, Rocky, Jordan, and the greatest of all time.
And music legends like Louis Armstrong, Jimi Hendrix, and Eric Clapton.
It's such a fun slice of Americana, and free to enter.
Right next door, we went into the Natural History Museum.
The African wildlife exhibits were incredible.
And of course, we had to make a quick stop to see the dinosaurs. Ending the day at Capitol Hill was the perfect finale. By the end of the day, we'd walked over 24,000 steps.
And sitting outside the US Capitol during golden hour was unreal. And even though this wasn't our usual slow travel pace,
We still felt like we truly experienced Washington, D.C.
thank you so much for watching and for spending the day with us.
Don't forget to subscribe because you won't want to miss where we're going next.